Hey everyone, if you want to know how I went from regular to less regular, then please keep on watching.
Impressions on some of the products that I've used today. I'm actually super excited about them. Like, okay, first of all, this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer is probably the best drugstore concealer I've ever used, and it's even really comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like it blends out the same way. The color that I bought for myself, I got caramel. This shade is perfect for underneath my eyes and like highlighting, and it has enough yellow but it's not too like drastic. This concealer is really bomb, like, and the coverage, if you let it dry a little bit underneath before you blend it out, it's just bomb. How many times can I say bomb? It is bomb though. What else did I get? What else did I get that was new? Oh, my Guerlain bronzer. I bought this because I saw like Makeup Shayla and I think it was Jackie Aina used it, and honestly it's a pretty bronzer. You'll see in the video that I like smelt it because I was like, I don't know if I like the smell. It's like very perfumey, very like old-timey scent, if you know what I mean, but everything else is beautiful. Like the way it went on was very buttery and very like smooth, and I really like that in a bronzer. I don't want it to look like super powdery because then it looks like it's just sitting on your face. and we don't want that. So this is a really nice bronzer, highly recommend. This Fenty lipstick though, when I first put it on, I was like, oh, it's like a little too corally for me. But it turns in, I don't know, like something happens to it where it turns into this like beautiful, like peachy nude color. And it's bomb. I love the formula. It's so like cushiony and like soft, but matte. It doesn't feel like anything is on your lips. And the pigment of it, bruh. A1. A1. My Stila highlight. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me tell you, it's becoming, I know I say this in every video, it's becoming one of my favorite highlighters, but it actually is. Like, the formula is so different to anything that I've ever used before. I got this, it's the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in the shade Bronze. Like, the texture is so different from anything else that I've ever experienced. Like, it's like soft to touch, like it's kind of like a cushiony. You see how it's like making an indent? This highlighter is so nice. Such a nice base to make other highlighters look even more blingy. Yeah, that's my everyday glowy natural look. I don't know what I'm gonna call this yet, but yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned for more. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye. What's poppin'?
Girl, if you are not filming right now, hey! Are you actually?
Yeah.
What are you filming? Okay.
You're too much.